Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can change the keyboard language in Windows 11. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, click on the Windows icon at the bottom of the screen and select Settings from the pop-up menu. Inside Device Settings, navigate to the Time and Language tab from the left side menu, and then access Language and Region feature from the available options. Here, all of the available languages will be displayed. To add a new language, click on the Add a Language button, and then search for the target one. After selecting the target language, click on Next at the bottom. After that, uncheck the statement at the end of the pop-up and click on Install. While the downloading is starting, click on the language icon at the bottom right side of the taskbar and the other language you selected will start displaying. To get the specific keyboard layout, click on the search icon and search for On-Screen Keyboard. After that, select the other language from the bottom and the keyboard layout will also get changed. So that's basically how you can change the keyboard language in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.